Hello, in front of me I've got Sennheiser CX True Wireless. In this video I'll show you how to check battery level of your earbuds. The fastest way to do it is by simply opening the lid of the charging case. The LED light right here will notify you about the current battery level. When the LED light lights up green, the charging case is fully charged and earbuds are fully charged also. When it pulses yellow, earbuds are being charged with the rechargeable battery of the charging case. When the LED light lights up yellow, earbuds are fully charged. The charging case cannot charge another complete cycle. Also, the charging case is charged less than 90%. If LED lights up red, the rechargeable batteries of the earbuds in the charging case are completely empty. And also, if there's no earbuds inside of the charging case, the rechargeable battery of the charging case is also empty. When you see 3 red flashes with earbuds inside of the charging case, there is a charging error. Battery error has been detected in at least one earbud. And also the battery level is lower than 20%. If there are non-earbuds in charging case and you still see 3 flashes, again there's a charging error. Battery has been detected with an error of the charging case. Also, you can check battery level of your earbuds by going to Bluetooth settings on Android smartphone or by going to Sennheiser app. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.